switch it up. Might go a bit wider, might go a bit more inside, who knows? Keep you guessing.
Yeah, first moto was really good. Got a whole shot, led a couple of laps, and second race I made it a bit harder for myself. I didn't start up the front. I had to make a fair few passes on the first lap. I'm happy to come away with solid points. You know, I extended my lead from 4th place and a bit closer to 2nd place. So, yeah, overall a good day. Consistency's there, and looking forward for the next round.
Solid day, can't complain with a 1-1. Sort of tried to ride my own race, and I knew the boys were there. It was hard to manage a gap, so I was just managing where Kyle was. I could hear him behind me, but I feel like it was really hard to pass. So yeah, all in all, just got into a flow, and it was a great weekend.
Now looks good, but maybe tomorrow very rough. But I think a little bit similar with Japanese track.
Yeah, pretty happy with the moto win. Finally got a bit of weight off the shoulders for all the hard work that myself and the team have been putting in, and just to reward myself, improve. That's what I can do during the week, and to finally do it at a race day is it's just weightlifting, but it feels good to be back.
It has been quite an up and down season for me. Kind of just trying to take it race by race. I really do need to get a roll on things. So yeah, I'm feeling good, and hopefully we can try and turn it around now.
Happy with coming away with more points, and there's some glimpse of good riding, so I'm happy with my day and excited for the next round.